Don't know how well you can see me, but so like I promised, we're going waterfowl hunting. We're going up to this reservoir. So if you guys wondered why I didn't show the Tour de Blood, I'll probably show it like later. It's just well, we didn't get anything, and you guys probably don't want to watch an elk hunt where we don't get anything. So, to replace that elk, we're gonna go shoot 500 pounds of ducks. So, fingers crossed. You guys probably can't see that. Well, I guess you can a little bit. Here. Just waiting for ducks to come, I guess. So we're gonna try to get some ducks here. So we're getting buzzed. I don't know if you guys heard that. So we're gonna try to go on these. Don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's ducks everywhere. And we're hoping that some of them are gonna come down. Oh. That's a close flock. Oh. There's some closer singles. Oh, guys. Still got a little nerve left. What? Yeah, you got the ringer?